Thank you very much on behalf of this group of various diplomats that come from different backgrounds. We truly believe that this opportunity that we've had today of knowing more about this culture and religion, as I said, coming us from different religions, backgrounds, cultures, history, societies, I think this is what would make the world a better place, a world that can reach peace in a faster way. And in a world in which is torn by war and conflict, I think this type of activities and opportunities will help us go back to our countries and express to our societies as well that we need a more society more full of toleration and comprehension and understanding of each other. So just I think I speak on behalf of everyone. We're truly thankful for this opportunity. It was truly a great experience that we've lived so far, and then that would be all. Thank you very much for all this experience today.